She's a pretty brown thing, got them curls that hang, and everybody knows when they see me, it's take glow. She's got beauty and brain, a glow that shines through rain. She's take glow.
What's up, Take Glow gang? Today I'm gonna be doing a video showing y'all how to do a sleek ponytail. And like I say in all of my videos, I really don't like to use heat on my hair to stretch my hair, because what's the point of a protective style or not straightening your hair just to go and blow dry your hair just to do a protective style? Even though I'm not doing a protective style, it just defeats the purpose to me. So I like to stretch my hair in a natural way, I guess. So right now I have my hair in like a braided bun, and this is how I get my hair to stretch for the style that I'm gonna do today. So I had a big scrunchie over this, but pretty much I took 2 braids. Like, I literally have 2 braids in my head, and I'm gonna show y'all the back. But y'all, it's literally 2 braids. This is the back. But y'all, just take 2 braids, put it in a bun, and that's how I get my hair to stretch so that my roots can be sleek. I have only moisturizer and oil in my hair right now. I had no gels in it. And I did these braids on completely wet hair, freshly after my wash day routine. So it's not like I used products to get it how I wanted it or anything. And my hair is actually still kind of wet, but I just needed my roots to be stretched so that I can get a sleek and low ponytail. A lot of people do this on completely curly hair, you know, to each one's own, it's up to you. But I like to have my roots stretched so that it can be completely flat, even though my hair lays either way, but I wanted it to be super sleek, you know. And I'm still gonna go in with gel. You see a lot of people, whenever they stretch their hair, they don't use gel afterwards, because gel is water-based, so it makes your hair revert back to its curly state. But for me, my hair gets pretty flat and laid. But if you have like 4C hair, after you stretch your hair, of course you don't want to put wet products, because it's gonna revert your hair back if it's harder to lay your hair down. So, you know, don't make things easy for you just to go backwards. And y'all, kind of like where my part is at. Y'all can see it. Y'all probably don't need to be shown how to do a part. Y'all probably know how to do a part, but I just have this angled part, and I'm gonna do a ponytail on this side, or either a bun. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do yet, but since I'll have that, I'll probably lay that like that. Not sure yet, but I'm gonna take less hair for this part, because I don't like how sharp that was. And then my part's kind of crooked, but I'm finna fix the part. So now it's kind of straight, but you can see the difference between how it was before and how it is now. Before, it was kind of going more this way, versus now it's less of a part. But I'm just gonna take this LA Sport gel that I got from Walmart, because I'm out of my Eco Styler gel. So I'm just gonna use this. It works just as good. And y'all, I'm heavy on gel. I'm a gel user. Yeah, I use a lot of gel on my hair. Even when I don't have to, I use a lot. I said that before, but y'all don't gotta copy me on how much gel I use. You do not need this much gel to achieve a sleek look. You can use like Got to Be spray, Got to Be glue, edge control. It depends on what lays your hair. Everybody's hair lays different with different products, so use what works best for your hair, for your sleek back or slick back. Then I'm just brushing it, and I always brush and then smooth. You get the smoothest look when you go in and follow with your hand. But yeah, so I feel like it's good enough for me. That's simple. And then I'm gonna brush the back, make sure everything is good there. Let me see, I'm trying to see how the front of this is looking. trying to get it on my face a little bit so that it can be a little bit on my face. And y'all, I'm doing the ponytail to the side, so I'm gonna put in the ponytail and I'm gonna show y'all that from the back. So I just get the best grip that I can, and I take my scrunchie. I'm gonna take the skinnier scrunchie, and I'm just gonna wrap that around and keep that grip the whole time, y'all. When you keep your grip, whether your ponytail isn't gonna be sleek, it's gonna have lumps, but I'm doing a side ponytail, so it's to the side. But go around until you feel like you can't anymore, or either until your hair is getting tight. You don't want to make your ponytail super tight. It's not good for your hair, not good for your edges, none of that. So it's very simple. As long as you know how to put your hair in a ponytail, you know how to slick down your hair, you're good. And then I'm just gonna comb it out to make my hair bigger, and you know, proper hair care, roots to ends always. No matter how combed out you think your hair is, you just want to always go in with roots to ends to roots always, just to ensure that you're not pulling out any extra hair than what you need to. And I'm just combing it out, getting it as big as possible. And y'all, I'm desired with how big, like I'm satisfied with how big it looked. And y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a hack on how to make your ponytail bigger, your low ponytail, any type of ponytail, a middle ponytail. So what you do is you grab hair from the top, right? Simple piece. And you section it off like so. I have this piece here, and then you take it like so, like this. You get a bobby pin, and then you place the bobby pin about 1 inch up from the ponytail. And then you take it and you lay it down. You want to blend it together, make it look seamless. But pretty much what it does is just makes your ponytail higher, so it seems like it starts up here and finishes down here. So that's what I do to make my ponytail look slightly bigger and slightly longer. Quick trick, y'all. So y'all see how much bigger that ponytail looks. I'm gonna show y'all again. So this is the ponytail before. This is how it looks before. And then I just take that bobby pin and section that piece off, and then 1 inch above. I kind of took it more than 1 inch that time. And then you lay it back down, and y'all can see the ponytail looks longer, just like that. The gel, and put it all over the edges. And I'm about to put some right here because I put a little bit too much, but okay. You know what, I'm gonna do these kind of edges. So yeah, nothing major, nothing major. I just did like the little wave style edges. Yep. So this is how my edges are gonna look on this side. Just to get them laid, I'm gonna swoop this. Even though since I have kind of a swoop bang, I can't really do edges on this side. I'm still gonna do them right here, cause you know, these are edges. So I brush them down first and then swoop around. Just like that. Even though it's not really edges, it's just laying the front down. But just like that. I feel some hair coming up because, you know, the edges was kind of shorter. So I'm just gonna go in over here and make sure the part that I combed out is fully laid. So y'all, that's the hairstyle. It's nice, cute, simple. And if you have short hair, you can take as many bobby pins as you want. Starting, you would start closer to here, and then to the top, you know, gradually getting to the top to make your hair look bigger. You don't have to do 2 separate ponytails. I see people doing 2 separate ponytails. You don't gotta do that. You can just do bobby pins and bobby pin it up. And there you go. So this is it from the side. This is the back. Some gloss. Some gloss. I'm gonna do this at the end of every video. What's up? Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some more video suggestions, more videos y'all want to see, more natural hairstyles, protective styles, anything. Comment it down below and subscribe. Join the Tay Glow family. Peace out, Tay Glow gang.